there everyone, and a very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you a short summary recap of our Improvers Club Style Cha-Cha-Cha, and this is solo routine number 9. This is a practice routine that was taught throughout a couple of classes. Now those classes were on the 24th of September 2020 and the 1st of October 2020, so that was 2 weeks in a row of our current online course that we were teaching, and that was actually online during the first lockdown in 2020. So 24th of September and the 1st of October, and this routine was built up across those 2 lessons. For some reason I couldn't find it in my channel playlist in my website, and I double checked and I hadn't uploaded it to YouTube. So for whatever reason, I don't know if I had a problem with the video, this has been a big delay, hence why I have the notes. I keep a note of every single class on my computer with step notes to remind me exactly what I taught. But there is obviously the full 90-minute class from each of those weeks. That's in the video library. So I'm going to make a start, turn around, I'll count everything out. There's actually 10 whole bars of this. It's a long routine, but I'll break it down slowly, and obviously the power of video is fantastic. You can stop me, pause me, rewind me, change the speed, and leave out the bits that you hate. Okay, basic club style cha-cha timing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So that my first bar is just a normal basic. I'm going to do a mambo twist step. So I'm going to rock forwards, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which is a left side cha-cha facing my left wall. I'm going to twist, 6, 7, look to the front and cha-cha back, 8 and 1. I'm going to do a right turn with a ronde, which was option 1, or a right turn with a double ronde right turn. But I'll show you first one, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Or you could do the double turn, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So make that extra turn on the cha-cha-cha. 6, 7, 8 and 1. Couple of options there, that's bar 3. Bar 4 was another basic. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Next bar, bar 5. Left foot with a little bow tie step. 2, 3 and a little 4 and 5. So it's like a Susie Q. I'm going to tap my right foot out on 6, tap it behind on 7 and slide out 8 and 1. Bar 6, left foot. I'm going to go for a flick ball change, 2 and 3. I'm going to step on it 4, I'm going to tap it behind 5, and then I'm going to do 6 and 7, 8, 1. So it's the same on both legs, okay? Let's dance bars 1 to 6 again. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, mambo twist, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Turn around, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, bow tie. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Flick ball change, step, tap. Flick ball change, step, tap. Bar 7 coming up. 2 Susie Qs. Susie Q, Susie Q. That'll be 2 and 3, 4 and 5. We do a little hopscotch move. 6, 7, 8, 1. Going into the next bar, unwind, 2, 3. Use your right foot, 4 and 5. And then I'm going to do a little bow tie Susie move. 6, 7, 8 and 1. Let's do bars 7 and 8 again. That's 2 Susie Qs. So Susie Q, Susie Q, out, in, out, cross, turn, round, Susie Q, tap, tap, Susie, Q. Bar 9, coming up. I'm going to walk backwards, right, left. That's 2 and 3. Then a back Susie, 4 and 5. And again, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Left turn, double. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Very, very long routine. I'm going to dance the whole thing from the notes, and I'm just going to call out the timing. I haven't got time to call out the names. So just timing. All 10 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Well, that is a very long routine. I do recall as we were in lockdown, the classes were longer, the routines were getting more complicated. People had nothing to do apart from go online and learn things. So we were probably putting longer routines in than we really should. So that was Improvers, Solo, Club Style Cha-Cha. Practice routine number 9, originally taught across the classes on the 24th of September 2020 and the 1st of October 2020. Thank you so much for persevering with me. If you're in YouTube and you're watching this, please hit the subscribe button and help me grow the channel. And if you're already in my video library, then thank you for just already being there. And I will see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.